Want a faster way to search Google on your phone? I will show you how to add Google search bar right on your home screen. It's super easy. First, go to your phone's home screen, the main screen where your apps are shown. Find an empty space on the screen and press and hold on that empty area for a few seconds. A small menu will appear. Tap on Widgets. At the top, you will see a search option. Type Google in the search box. Scroll down until you find the Google section. Tap on the drop-down. You will see the Google search bar widget. Now press and hold on the Google search bar widget. Then drag it to the spot where you want it on your home screen. That's it. The Google search bar is now on your home screen. You can tap on it anytime to quickly search on Google. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more such helpful videos.